I go Sunday. They eat. What's up, bro? They Mexican today. They ain't Mexican today. How you doing, man?